Here with a planner decorating video for you today. This is for the week beginning the 28th. I am first off just adding some washi down the sides of each page just to cover up the colour underneath. It doesn't cover it completely. I could have done with using some opaque washi to give a better effect, but I'm not too bothered about that. So here is the kit I'm using. It's the Boho Dreamcatcher kit by Fab Planner Print, and I am using part of the monthly kit as well as part of one of the weekly kits. They're various sizes depending on what kind of planner you have. This one I believe is made for Erin Condren, but I just kind of trim things off and piece things together just to suit whatever size planner I'm working in. As you can see, it's easy enough just to trim things down a bit. So I'm using this header pretty pattern across the top here, and all I've done is just trimmed it off one side and added a bit on the other side so it fits perfectly into my A5. So I'm first off adding this weekly box at the top, which I will probably put my cleaning schedule in, but I haven't decided exactly just yet, but we'll see. It depends what works best. I'm also adding a couple of the tracker stickers in there for my habit trackers, which I'm going to use for my vitamin and water intake, I think. So for this kit, there's these absolutely gorgeous days of the week stickers. So I'm just covering up the days of the week in the actual paper, which is Prima, the original one underneath there, the A5 pages. So I'm just covering up the days of the week there first of all, and as you can see between the trackers I did add a pretty decorative sticker just to fill in that little gap. For each day of the week I'm also adding in this cute little thin strips which have a little dinner plate on them, which is just to do my meal planning into the week. So I'm just adding one of them to every single day and just varying the colours, just kind of doing them random and just put them so that there's not the same colour next to each other. No real method to that. I've got a bit of a gap on this side where I don't on the other because I'd added them trackers, so I'm taking some of the very thin strips that's on one of the sheets. I add that in, and then I'm using some glitter washi. It's also from my stash. The washis are just old ones. I don't have links for either of them, I'm afraid, but I just picked colours that matched the kit that I had in my stash already. So I just add that glitter just to fill in that gap. I've also got a weekend sticker there, a little cute banner, so I add that in. And for each day of the week, during the week, I'm just adding one of these stickers in there, which will be for the most important task I have for that particular day. So I'm just adding those boxes in there. For each day of the week, during the week, I also will be using some stickers just to do a bit of a checkbox for every single day. Just now I'm adding in my little planner sticker to remind me that's my planner day, which is always Thursday. And as you can see now, I'm adding my cute heart checkboxes running all the way down. And that tiny sticker I added on Friday was just a tiny payday sticker, which I just tucked in there just as a reminder. So as you can see, the same with the meal planner ones. I'm just varying the colours of these with no particular order, just down the side, because I always plan in lists. I just put like a priority of things I'd like to get done in that day and just add them in there. And just at the top of those planners on each day, I've just used the today stickers, which are, I've matched the colours this time to go with the boxes going down. So I'm basically just splitting up my page into sections so I can add things depending on if it's to do with work or home or YouTube, social media, that kind of thing. I just added a grocery sticker over the top of that Saturday box. That's for me to do my online order to remind me. I also add my laundry days, which are not my normal laundry, like my bedding and towel days, just because I do them separately. And I also add the bin day, just to, because, you know, just to remind. It's always the same, but there we go. If it's there, I'll remember. I'm adding these flags in because I do have a few important things to get done and film, etc. So I like to add flags in advance because I know what I'm going to be writing into those. And I think that's pretty much it as far as functional stickers. So I'm just adding a few pretty ones, the smaller ones that I have in the kits, to just decorate around here and there, try not to take up too much room, which I'm super guilty of every time. So I think that is pretty much me done now. I'm just showing you how much I've still got left, so I've got plenty left to use again. So I'm just trimming off the edges. I'll punch holes in the washi and this will go back in my planner again. So thanks for joining me today. I will be back again next Thursday for another planner related video. And please do go check out Fab Planner Print for some yummy stickers and use my discount code 10Sarah. Thanks for joining me, everyone. Have a great day.